Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix Windows Update error. Something went wrong. Try to reopen setting later. We come back. Here you can see the Windows Update error which I am going to fix it. First download the software and install it. I have given the download link in the description below. Launch the software. Click on the Restore Windows Update. Go to Setting and then Windows Update Setting. You will see nothing is changed. Don't worry. Something more have yet to do. Press Windows key and are on your keyboard. Type Services MSC. Scroll down and find out Windows Update option. And click on that option and select Restart. You are done. Let's check once again. Go to Setting and check Windows Update Setting. It's working. Thank you for watching. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and share to get latest tutorial video.